What does $1 million wedding look like? Imagine walking into a venue where the chandeliers cost more than a house. The flowers are flown in from 5 different countries, and the bride's dress could pay off a college loan twice. This isn't a dream. This is the real world of $1 million weddings, and today on Lavish Verse, we're pulling back the curtain on how the super rich say, I do. Let's start with the venue, because for $1 million weddings, it's never just a simple banquet hall. Think private islands in the Maldives, centuries-old castles in France, or exclusive resorts in Tuscany, all reserved entirely for a few days of grand celebration. It's not uncommon for guests to be flown in on chartered jets and greeted at the airport by personal chauffeurs or even string quartets, setting the tone for a weekend that feels more like royalty than reality. And every corner of the venue? It's transformed. Walls are draped in silk, ceilings twinkle with imported lighting rigs, and floral installations tower higher than trees. Now imagine walking into a ballroom where everything, yes, everything, has been custom made. From the gold-rimmed dinnerware to monogrammed napkins and handcrafted ice sculptures, the details are meticulous. But the real showstopper? The flowers. For $1 million wedding, florists don't just create centerpieces. They create entire floral worlds. Roses from Ecuador, orchids from Thailand, peonies from Japan. Delivered fresh by air and arranged into cascading arches, floral ceilings, and blooming walkways. The scent alone could leave you breathless, and the visuals? Straight out of a fantasy. Next comes the bride. And when the budget is sky high, so is the couture. Custom gowns from designers like Elie Saab, Zuhair Murad, or Dior, stitched with thousands of crystals, pearls, and hours of hand embroidery. Some brides wear not one, but 3 or 4 dresses. For the ceremony, the reception, the after-party, and even the photo shoots. And the accessories? Think diamond tiaras, heirloom jewelry, and designer heels made just for her feet. Every step she takes is worth a small fortune. And every click of the camera captures a look that costs more than most wedding budgets combined. When it comes to food, these weddings turn into gourmet galas. Michelin-starred chefs are flown in, custom menus are curated to fit guests' tastes, and every course is a work of edible art. There will be appetizers served with edible gold, 7-course meals featuring exotic ingredients, and dessert tables that stretch across an entire wall. It's not just a meal, it's an experience, paired with the finest wines, champagnes, and even signature cocktails designed especially for the couple. Oh, and don't forget the cake. It can be 6 feet tall, hand-painted, and filled with rare flavors like saffron pistachio or lavender champagne. Now, what's $1 million wedding without some show-stopping entertainment? And we're not talking about a local band or a DJ. We're talking full-scale performances. World-famous artists like Beyoncé, Bruno Mars, and Andrea Bocelli have been known to sing private sets at these events. Cirque-style acrobats, fire dancers, and aerial violinists. Every hour is packed with spectacle. Some weddings even turn into mini festivals, complete with stages, lighting rigs, and after-parties that go until dawn, sometimes lasting for days. Because in this world, the celebration doesn't stop at the I do. And here's the wild part. It's not just about the couple. Guests are pampered at every turn. Welcome gifts can include luxury skincare, personalized perfumes, or even designer sunglasses. Some weddings offer private spa sessions, adventure activities, and custom-tailored wardrobes for guests, so that every photo is flawless and every moment unforgettable. Think of it as a luxury vacation that just happens to be centered around a wedding. So how does all this add up to $1 million? Why, or often much more? It's the accumulation of details. A venue that costs $200,000, a decor team with a $250,000 budget, couture gowns, A-list performers, multi-day itineraries, full-scale production crews, luxury transportation, and more. For the ultra-wealthy, a wedding isn't just a celebration. It's a once-in-a-lifetime production designed to impress, inspire, and be remembered forever. $1 million weddings may sound surreal, but they're very real for those who live in the world of excess. While love is priceless, their weddings prove that luxury, well, it comes with a very big price tag. Thanks for watching Lavish Verse, where we explore the extraordinary side of life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us, what would your dream wedding look like if money weren't a concern?